Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, I will show you YOSHITAKE Steam Pressure Reducing Valve installed before the EPS shape molding machine. Installing a steam pressure reducing valve in front of the single EPS shape molding machine serves to regulate and lower the steam pressure entering the EPS shape molding machine. The following are the benefits and effects of this process. 1. Control the steam pressure. 2. Improve the operational stability. 3. Save energy. 4. Compliance with regulations. Installing a steam pressure reducing valve helps ensure the EPS shape molding machine operates at the appropriate steam pressure, improving operational stability and safety, while also contributing to energy savings and cost reduction. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.